In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Metatrader 5 background. Personalizing your chart colors only takes a moment, and it can dramatically improve readability and reduce eye strain during long trading sessions. Start by opening any chart in Metatrader 5. Pick a symbol you watch often, such as a major currency pair or a metal. With the chart on your screen, access the chart settings. The quickest ways are to right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Properties, or simply press F8 on your keyboard. Either action opens the Properties window where all the visual settings live. Inside that window, switch to the Colors tab. Look for the item labeled Background. Click the color box beside it to bring up the palette and select the shade you prefer, whether that's a deep black, a soft gray, or a bright white. While you're here, it's smart to align the rest of your colors so the chart remains easy to read. You can adjust the grid color for visibility, set bull candle to a color that stands out as positive, and choose a clear contrasting color for bear candle. If your platform shows labels that are hard to see, update the text color so price scales and time labels remain legible. When your selections look right, click OK to apply the changes. The background updates immediately, and you can always reopen the window to fine-tune if something doesn't look quite right on your monitor. Many traders prefer a dark theme because it's gentle on the eyes. For this, set background to black, then use green for bull candle and red for bear candle. If you like a brighter workspace, choose a light theme with a white background, blue or green for bull candle, and red for bear candle. Metatrader 5 also includes ready-made color schemes, such as green on black, black on white, and color on white, available within the same Colors tab, which can serve as solid starting points before you tweak details. If you want every new chart to open with your preferred background, save it as your default style. Right-click the chart, go to Templates, choose Save Template, and name it Default. From now on, new charts will load with that background and matching colors, keeping your workspace consistent across symbols and timeframes. That's all there is to it. With a background that fits your eyes and trading style, you'll spend less effort deciphering the chart and more time focusing on your analysis.